Alright, welcome to the short video on how to make files smaller. If you notice, I'm now in my little rocket ship at the bottom left, my launcher, and I'm looking for a program called Handbrake. That's what this is with the little pineapple and fruity drink. If you don't have it on your computer, go to self-service. Once you click on self-service, you'll be able to scroll through and find it. If you don't see it immediately, it's pretty easy to identify because it's a pineapple and a fruity drink. If you can't find it, click on that search window at the top left and just type in Handbrake. It's Handbrake as in B-R-A-K-E, not B-R-E-A-K. So Handbrake, once you have it installed on your computer, it might take a few seconds. Double click it. As soon as you open it, it will prompt you to open the file that is too big. So find that video file on your computer that is way too big and click open. Okay. Once you do that, it will show you the program, and the program, it's really ugly, but it works. All you need to worry about are just a few little things in here. Number one, look to where it's saving to. Mine is set to the desktop. First time I saved it a few times, I couldn't find the file that it converted because I had no idea where it went. So just take note as to where it's going. Next thing is click the web optimized button. Basically that just says, I'm going to shrink the file. Over here for quality, mine is set to like RF20. You can mess with it a little bit if you want. I would just recommend having it between 20 and 25. Why? I don't even know what that stuff does. I just know it makes the file really small, but it's still okay quality. So I don't know. RF, really fine. I'm not really sure. But when you do that, just go up to the top and click the play button and it will start recording. This is an example of what the files have done so far. So my documents, you can see, let's see, the original for taking roll was pretty huge, 280 megabytes. After I put it into Handbrake, it saved to my desktop. And now look at it, taking roll, well, it's only 43 megabytes. So Handbrake does a great job. So once again, install it, click on it, get it to open that file, click web optimized, you're good to go. If you have any questions, call, text, email me. I'll be glad to help.